How's it going, guys? UJ, and we're gonna create some really epic from Lego Technic 42101 buggy and Lego Creator 31101 monstertruck. Let's see what we're creating. So before that, you must know the pieces you have right now. These four of these gray connector packs, we can say, two blue connector packs. Right, they should have these edges, we can say, and two wheels. Easily detachable. Right, now what we create is simple. Here we go. Take one of these, put two of these in the open side, not here. Alright, not here. Take the second one, attach it like this. Right. There you go. Right, keep this aside until it's also looking like a truck. This is the cab. These are the wheels, and this is the place where the load is put. Right, keep this aside. Okay, let's just okay. Here you go. Now take two of these back up. Like back again, like the same way we have doing with this thing, and do the same with this thing. But now we attach these blue ones. Right, we get 1, 2. Keep these like 1 and 2. There you go. I'm not wondering it may fall, or it may like be loose, right, like this. So just don't worry, it will be fine. Okay, this is how it looks like now. Now attach these to these holes, right? So like this. Done. Yes, it's done. Okay, now what you gotta do is nothing but just see. Take one of these wheels. My wheels are not like the normal wheels. This size more bigger. We can say section is more bigger. So I'm gonna use the smaller wheels first for the front side. Here you go. See this? Right now, right, like this. See? Okay. Take the wheel. There we go, and come on, there you go. Right, take the other wheel part. You also take it, and also follow the instruction I'm giving right now, or you might be not able to build it if you miss something, right? But it's easy, right? And there you go. That's the vehicle. So this is the glass, the lights, the wheels, the roof, the steering wheel, and everything. And it's just movable. See, it's movable. If you don't believe, let's test this out. You see this? This is our vehicle, right? I'm gonna just pull it out, and yes, it works. Even the wheels are working. The wheels also work. They work really nicely. So it's half good. You can also play with them. Get your own new designs like you can either create it back to the truck. Let's get this the truck. Oops, my wheel just fell out. My wheel! Where's my wheel? My wheel just fell out over that side. Over that side just fell out. Right. Here. Look at that truck. Get anything you want. Right. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, really, be sure to subscribe, #UJ, and don't forget comment and like, and also don't forget to share. And guys, so that's it for today. You'll be sure to have another video. Bye bye for now. And also be sure to enjoy with this new vehicle you get.